Hello my dear children. So let's move on to the rest part of the exercise. Question number 4 part C. We are having log 4 to the base 3 into log 5 to the base 4 into log 6 to the base 5 into log 7 to the base 6 into log 3 to the base 7. In this question, as you can see, all the bases are different, but somehow they are matching with the ones which are given at the top. See, 3 and 3 is matching, 4 and 4 is matching, 5 and 5 is matching, 6 and 6, 7 and 7. So what we will do, we will change this into standard log base. That is, we will introduce log base as 10. So for introduction of a new base, our formula is log m to the base b is equals to log m to the base a by log b to the base a. That is, this base will come as a log in the denominator, and this log m will be remaining in the numerator, and new base a will be introduced in each case. So log 4 to the base 3 is equals to log 4 to the base 10 by log 3 to the base 10 into log 5 to the base 10 by log 4 to the base 10 into log 6 to the base 10 into by log 5 to the base 10 into log 7 to the base 10 by log 6 to the base 10 into log 3 to the base 10 by log 7 to the base 10. So now, as you can see, log 4 will cancel, log 3 will cancel, log 7, log 6, log 5 and log 5. Everything is going to cancel and you will be left with 1. So your answer is 1. In 4 part D, we are having log 384 by 5 to the base 10 plus log 81 by 32 to the base 10 plus 3 log 5 by 3 plus log 1 by 9 to the base 10. Now our first step will be to change this 3 from here as product form and bring it to the power. Since we are having log b to the power n to the base a is equals to n into log b to the base a. Here n into log b to the base a is given, so it will be log b to the power n. So 3 comes to the power of 5 by 3. So next we are using the formula log m plus log n is equals to log m into n. This as total as taken as m, and this suppose m1, m2, m3, m4 like that. So all will be in the product form and the plus sign will be removed and there will be only one log. So we are having log 384 by 5 into 81 by 32 into 5 cube is 125 by 27 3 cube into 1 by 9. So if we cancel, you will have log 100 to the base 10. Now 100 can be expressed as 10 square. So this 2 will come to the front. 2 into log 10 to the base 10 is equals to 2 into 1 equals to 2. Since why is this power coming into the front? Because log b to the power n is equals to n into log b to the base a. The power comes to the front and gets multiplied. And log a to the base a equals to 1. That is log 10 to the base 10 equals to 1. So 2 into 1 equals to 2 is our answer. In question number 5 part 1, you have to show that LHS is equals to RHS. Now, what is the LHS? Log 75 by 16 minus 2 log 5 by 9 plus log 32 by 243. Our first step will be to move this 2 as power, because we are having log b to the power n to the base a is equals to n into log b to the base a. So, here n into log b to the base is given. So this will come to the power. So this 2 comes to the power and it becomes 5 by 9 whole square. In our next line we will write that log 75 by 16 minus log 5 square is 25 by 9 square is 81 plus log 32 by 243. So we are having log 75 by 16 into 32 by 243 because we have used the formula log m plus log n is equals to log m into n. So this is coming out as log 50 by 81 minus log 25 by 81. See, I have not put any base. No base is given here, means the base is 10. Now log m minus log n is equals to log m by n. That is m divided by n. So log m minus log n is equals to log m divided by n. So 50 by 81 into 81 by 25. 25 ones are 25 twos are 81 cancels, equals to log 2, that is equals to RHS. So we are having log 75 by 16 minus 2 log 5 by 9 plus log 32 by 243 is equals to log 2. Hence proved. In question number 5 part 2, I will give you a hint. See, there are 3 terms in the left hand side. Log 15 to the base 10 whole multiply by 1 plus log 30 to the base 15. What is similar? This base and this one is similar. Again plus half by half into log 16 to the base 10, 1 plus log 7 to the base 4. Minus log 6 to the base 10, log 3 to the base 6 plus 1 plus log 7 to the base 6. Now what we will do is, I am showing you only this term. You will use this concept to solve the remaining 2 and make it equal to the RHS. So log 15 to the base 10 into this 1 I will change into log a to the base a. Now how will I do that? My base will be selected in such a manner that it is matching with this base. So here the base is 15. That is why I have chosen log 15 to the base 15. I could have chosen anything, log 10 to the base 10, log 3 to the base 3, but I have chosen 15 because the base here was 15. So I have log 15 to the base 15 plus log 30 to the base 15. Now, since it is in the form log m plus log n, then we will have log m into n. So, log 15 to the base 15 into 30. That is log 15 into 30 to the base 15. So this is coming out as log 15 into 30 to the base 15 into log 15 to the base 10. Now what we will do? Here the base was 10. Here the base is 15. Listen carefully. I have introduced a base 10 here such that log 15 into 30 to the base 10 will be in the numerator divided by log 15 to the base 10 will be in the denominator, and this will cancel. So this is the method, that is introduction of a new base such that this term and this term cancels. I want this term to be cancelled. That is why I have introduced the new base. It is log b to the base p here. P is the base that was 15 is equals to log b to the base a by log p to the base a. So we are having log 450 to the base 10. This is the first term's value only. You have to find out the remaining 2 and then solve and get the answer as 2. In question number 5 part 3, we have log to the base 2, log to the base 2, log 256 to the base 4 plus 2 log 2 to the base root 2. Now, as we know, in this case of series of log, we have to solve with the ones which is the most inside one. So 256 will be prime factorized. Prime factorization of 256 can give you as 2 to the power say 8. But we will not write it in the form of 2. We will write with the one which it is matching with the base. So here the base was 4. So I will write 256 as 4 to the power 4 such that the base and this one matches. Next, this 4 will come to the front here and get multiplied with log 4 to the base 4. Why? Log b to the power n to the base a equals to n into log b to the base a plus 2 log 2 to the base root 2. Next, 2 will be written in the form of the base, that is root 2 square. This we already know that root 2 square is equals to 2, and I am writing it in the form of base so that we can get the form as log a to the base a. I need to eliminate log 1 by 1, that is why I am matching it with the base. Next line, log 4 to the base 4 will vanish away because it is 1, so 4 into 1 is 4. And log this 2 will come to the front. We will have 2 into 2 log root 2 to the base root 2. Next, log to the base 2, log 2 square to the base 2, because 4 can be expressed as 2 square. Since we are having base as 2, so I have matched this and this. And here we are having 2 into 2 is 4 and log root 2 to the base root 2 is 1. So 4 ones are 4. Next, this 2 again comes to the front in the next line, and we will have log 2 to the base 2. This log gets attached with this 2 into log 2 to the base 2 plus 4. That is 1 into 1 plus 4, which is 1 plus 4 equals to 5. Therefore, our LHS is equals to RHS, hence proved. Question number 5, part 4, we are having log x to the base x square into log y to the base y square into log z to the base z square. Since the bases are unequal, so I will make this as a standard base form, that is introducing a new base as 10. So we will have log x to the base 10 by log x squared to the base 10 into log y to the base 10 by log y squared to the base 10 into log z to the base 10 by log z squared to the base 10. And the formula is log p to the base b equals to log p to the base a by log p to the base a. Here a is the new base that is introduced. Now this 2 will come to the front and get multiplied with the denominator 2 into log x to the base 10. Why? Because log b to the power n equals to n into log b to the base a. So 2 comes to the front. Similarly here also 2 comes to the front and 2 comes to the front. So we have log x to the base 10 by 2 into log x to the base 10. X to the base 10 and log x to the base 10 will cancel. Again log y to the base 10 by 2 into log y to the base 10. Log y to the base 10, log y to the base 10 will cancel. Again into log z to the base 10 by 2 into log z to the base 10, log z will cancel. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 is our RHS, hence proved.